Every cell in your body is replaced every 7 years. But what happens when that process doesn't work? Apoptosis, or the orchestrated deaths of cells, plays a pivotal role in many diseases. Too much apoptosis, for example, can contribute to degenerative diseases, while too little can lead to cancer because of damaged cells that won't die when they're supposed to. So scientists spend a great deal of time studying the process as the first step in developing treatments. And now they have a powerful tool, thanks to the work of supramolecular chemist Professor Kate Jolliffe.
One of the things that we've done recently that's really exciting is our design of a molecule that can detect when cells are undergoing cell death.
The system relies on the fact that the inside and outside layers of cell membranes display different molecules.
The ones that are on the inside have a negative charge, and when your cells are dying, that negative charge flips to the outer layer of the membrane, and we can then detect those with a molecule that lights up effectively like a light bulb turning on when it sees those molecules and shows that the cells are undergoing death.
In other words, scientists can watch apoptosis in real time using fluorescence microscopy.
One of the beauties of chemistry and synthetic chemistry is the ability to create a molecular structure that nobody's ever made before, which is kind of neat.
Her research has many applications, and not just in medicine.
The species that we look at, anions, are present everywhere. They're in industry, they're in the environment, and they're in biology. So being able to detect those has applications across all of those, from detecting pollution through to diagnosing disease.
Professor Jolliffe's obsession with chemistry began not in the lab, but the kitchen.
I did work experience in the Women's Weekly test kitchen, and then the following year I did work experience in an analytical chemistry lab. And I realised that I was more intellectually stimulated in the lab than in the kitchen, but I still love cooking. That's my plan B.
Not that she'll need it anytime soon. Professor Jolliffe is internationally recognised for her contribution to science.
I'd absolutely recommend a career in science. It's always interesting. It's often exciting. I'm a supramolecular organic chemist, but I could easily have been a different type of scientist and worked on a whole range of different problems. There's so many things to do.